Welcome back, guys, to Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Alchemix ALCX coin targets for the bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. First of all, I would like to say thank you everyone who support Crypto for Life, because with this video, finally today we'll get 200 videos in altcoins playlist. So if you're interested to double check some targets for altcoins for the next bull run, I recommend you go and double check this playlist. So this chart looks pretty weird, correct? So even if we zoom out, it looks pretty weird. So this is the oldest chart on a Gate.io. I don't think so we'll go and close even 50% of this week candle, for 56K, and highest point was, it's kind of weird. In May 2021, by end of bull run was 95,600, So I don't think so it's a real price, just some manipulation or a glitch, on the chart. So here, the highest point in April 2021, here the listing March, April, May 2021, end of bull run. It was 2011, exactly like this one. Now the price, $17. And based on this FIB, unfortunately, we didn't test 27 zone, still didn't test 27 zone. If we count the support like this one, if we count the support this one, we way under 27 zone. So this is how it works, If we zoom out to the monthly time frame, we can mark the gap here, monthly gap. This level, it's around 900 till 1,118. This target can be the magnet, for the price. And I think we will hit this target. And I would like to show you how and why. Based on this FIB on a monthly time frame, you can see how we got a top, this one, drop to this low, this one, support, bounce, trade, and test 23 L by FIB. Then we drop it down. So we are now from June 2022, we trade basically in the range. So let me show you. And I think the whales accumulate at the coin. So here we are in the range, just a tiny range. Let's use the FIB here. This is the range. This range where we are trading here, more than, I guess, more than from this drop, 550 days, 546 days. So it's insane. Of course, like usual, we can drop even lower, but based on this FIB, the 226, it can be only the zero level. Why it's important? Because we go to DropStep and the CoinMarketCap. So you can find out this coin trade on major exchanges like even the Coinbase. So it's a big deal, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, SushiSwap, ALCHEX, Gate.io, all major exchanges, with a huge volume. You have to take a look on the market cap. The highest point of the market cap was here in April, May. It was 268 millions. And in November 2021, around half billion, 467 millions. In November, the price was here. So imagine this area, the market cap around 200 millions. This area is around half billion with the highest point 600 per coin. And we drop it down, traded around 17. So I think this gap, it will be like a trigger for the next bull run. I don't think so. And I'm not sure this coin will hit the new all-time high, like 2,000 per coin, but everything possible. And I would like to show why. If you would like to know more about this coin, I recommend you go and double check official Twitter. Double check. This is a staking yield earning platform. Total supply and a maximum supply, 2,800,000. We compare with CoinMarketCap. We got total supply is 2,300,000. Maximum supply is no data, based on CoinMarketCap. So we can work only with the current data, what we get now. So circulation supply, 2 million. So let's add this circulation supply to our calculator here. And market cap only 35 millions. So look, if we hit the target of this gap, So around, let's say 1K, round number. The market cap will be 2 billion market cap. Is it possible for the coin like this one? Basically, yes. If we go to historical snapshot of May 2021, and I would like to find the compound. I would like to find a Cosmos compound. Compound hit a last cycle with 770 price with 5 million coins into circulation supply. The compound hit almost 4 billion market cap. So pretty similar platforms, you know, and even with the bigger circulation supply, you know, the compound hit by end of bull run around 4 billion market cap. So it means if the history repeat, for example, we hit 1K for Alchemix, it's going to be only 2 billion market cap. Let's say we hit the new all-time high, for example, 3,000 per coin. Is it possible? It's going to be 6 billion market cap. 6 billion market cap, it's pretty similar like, I don't know, here, the Cosmos, the Atom, or even the Shiba Inu. So this one. But you remember the Shiba hits over than 40 billions market cap. So basically all these targets is relevant, you know, and I would like to show you on indicator set why and how we can hit these targets. This coin definitely the risky coin now. And I don't like all this yield farming the platforms, you know. I add my alert. Like you can see, we got a lot of some weekly gaps, you know, but we count only the monthly one. So here we can mark this one like trigger. So sooner or later, all these gaps, which is not so far, will be closed. And the road will be open to the main one, to the monthly one. So over this here, liquidity pool is like a target to see something like this one, to liquidate these guys, and sweep this liquidity pool. After that, maybe would like to see the correction. So this is how it works. Of course, we work with possibilities, you know, and all-time low for this token was here, $10.28. So here, fundraising. There is no vesting period, nothing, you know. Here, fundraising. Private round was in March 2021. And imagine the price on the private round was 700 per coin. Let's go back to the chart. So you have to understand the logic of earlier investors. So here, March. So around here, March 14, 17. They got a private round and they got 7,000 tokens per 700 per token and raised it 5 million and the pre-valuation was 1 billion. Then 3 days after, they got a strategic round. They raised it 3 million. You know, the price for token was 225 and they sold around 14,000 tokens. Here's what these investors do next. And look, the 3 months lockup period. All right, so it means it's March, April, May. So around 14 May, they can press sell. Let's go back, take a look how these guys manipulate the price. So here, imagine they got a coins around here, 14 March at 700 per coin. Trade a coin like this one at this date, they got unlocks. They got their coins and they press sell. That's why we see this drop. And the price, what they sold, was around 1,500. So it's double X from the air, you know, from nothing. So that's why this time period was the end of bull run, not November. November was just the double top for the Bitcoin and for some altcoins. And the same guys here, 6 months cliff, 6 months vesting period. All right, got it. They bought it at 225. So let's turn the logic. So 6 months after that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They bought at 225. In August 2021, after 6 months vesting period, they drop price to 200. They then push the price to 647. And they made also double X easily, even triple X, and crash it down price. So basically, I think all this investors like Spartan Capital and CMS Holdings, they already sold their tokens, and if these guys want to manipulate the price again, if they want to accumulate this coin again, because they understand they can make money with this one, over than 500 days, they can accumulate. That's why let's go to indicator set. ADZ direction. Based on ADZ on a monthly time frame, look how low we are laid down at the bottom. Here, direction, we just laid down at the bottom. Here, all this time period was accumulation stage. So even now, at $17 per coin, it will be more than okay, I think, to buy this token. Of course, we got under this gap, monthly one, which I would like to see we come back and close. It will be just amazing if we test this zone. So, for example, $14. Of course, we work with possibilities and we can drop lower. That's why I add my alert here. So let's mark it even like this one. On this test, I would like to buy back the ALX, because on a weekly time frame, here we're in distribution. This was accumulation. So this one, accumulation in June. The lowest point was $16. 16, then we formed the accumulation once again, but a huge divergence. So it was a 10. So the average entry for these guys, around 14. Would be good to see the drop like this one and hold the line. If not, yes, we can make it one more sweep. So if I will buy here and here, my entry will be around 10 or 12. All right, got it. So with this 12 per coin, I can write, for example, even from 12, I can write to this target. It's 400, to this target, it's 600% gains, to this target, it's 1,000. So this is how it works, But of course, it's just a risky coin because I don't like the chart like this one. Of course, it's remind me the chart of ICP. It remind me the chart of Chia. But we will see how it goes, The main things is the market have to not delist this coin. This is what I worry about. And pretty low market cap for the coin like this one. Market mood, money power. Based on the market mood, on the weekly time frame, all this time period will lay down on the bottom. Depression zone here. Depression zone here. Now we're just in a positive. That's why it would be good to see the drop to this area, to see some one more time negative on the market. Because from the lowest point in here in September, this coin made 150% gains. Of course, now zero apria, nothing. It's not a hype what we're looking for. Take a look on this one. This was a trill, crazy apria. Whales also accumulate in March 2022, May 2022, June, December. So this is how it works. No signal to sell or fixation of a position. So maybe I will start using DCA strategy even from this current price. We will see. Two last indicators. Trade on. Based on trade on, here, how it works. When they sold their coins, we got a signal to buy and made it 3x. Then we drop it again and got a signal to buy because I think I'm more than sure at the end of bear market was in summer 2022. Here was signal to buy. June 2022. So now even if we sweep the low, this was a good entry. 16 cents. $16. All right, got it. If we take a look on last indicators, take profit here. On a weekly time frame, take a look on this chart. We way under fundamental price. And finally, we start moving like on a sideways. All lines are dynamic. That's why here we trade under fundamental price, good time for accumulation. Now we're going over then buy line, only the buy line. So here, the test of the buy line, when we sweep this liquidity, it's going to be $15. $15 and the fundamental price, it's 11. I would like to see the both test. Would be good to see the move like this one for the next week, for example. Here the test, $14, $15, sweep this liquidity, trade in the sideways and going higher. Here is a take profit. Take profit now at this current moment, $29 and exit line 33. I don't think so. We will skyrocket this week, you know. No, I think we will go in down, and on next week, I think we're going to test this line. So that's why I add my alerts to this area. So guys, if we take a look on a daily here, I would like to see the test of the buy line. So let's add alert now to the buy line, take profit, buy line, create alert. So when I will see the buy line again, I would like to buy back this coin and I will see the more confirmation of my idea. But now I got alerts. Here, I got a weekly gap. Here, what we can see and close, we got some bullish order flow. So it would be good to see something like this one, even like this one. And the buy line till that time will be around here, 13, 12, 15, it will be okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment, what do you think about Alchemix? Do you believe this coin can recover or this is just a dead coin? If you would like to trade with my custom gear set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.